Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on, crypto holder? Today video is going very special for Vechain holder. Yes, today we decide to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So this is live price prediction of Vechain, and you can see here this time I'm gonna show you the crypto market. This time every cryptocurrencies go totally and the loss, and crypto market lost 10 billion US dollar and last previous 2 days. So why they are losing? I think this is the start of month, and therefore every cryptocurrency is totally and lost. So you can see here the every second coin as and the lost. You can see here every second coin as and the loss. So let's see to what's going on. And Vechain, if you can see here, the Vechain has totally and gone up like a rocket. Absolutely, the Vechain result as in positive, very small positive, but you can see here plus 0.82% going up. So this is not a big change, but this is a positive change. So I am very happy to see this. You can see here the price is also going increase. Price is very fastly increasing, and Vechain is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, guys. This time 16 position for in crypto market. So I hope and Vechain cross top 10 currencies. So I hope very fastly and this week as possible. So guys, if you can see here the Vechain from price prediction is start now. But before I start this prediction, I request to my brother to please subscribe ABS Stick channel. Please, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it, because I updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So you just click on the subscribe and press bell icon. Guys, if you can see here, this is the last 1 hour last 7 days chart, and this chart you can see here the chain as 4.7% going up. Wow, incredible chart. This time they're going like a rocket. You can see here the price is chain 0.149577 US dollar. I hope very amazingly they can cross $1 US just at the end of this month. I hope they can cross $1 US. What you say? What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. This is do they cross $1 US or not? Okay, so let's see the last 1 day result, last 24-hour result to what's going on in last previous 24-hour. And this video we also decide to this is selling time, holding time, what we do in this critical situation. Okay guys, so you can see here the last last 24-hour result for the chart is also in positive 0.25% going up. So this is very good chance. You can see here the price also decrease now. So why the price is decreasing day by day? This is one big reason, and the reason is that two this all cryptocurrencies goes down. So I think also the price is increasing now, and this in the upcoming days and at the end of this month I hope they cross $1 US. So you can see here in the graph result they take a very big dump. You can see here this time they take a very big dump, then already our price is also decreasing. So but again they take a very high jump, then price is going to equal. Okay, so let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour result, and then we decide to this is selling time or buying time. Okay, so this is absolutely gone very special for every new holder, especially for new holder who cannot decide that to this is selling time or buying time. Okay, so let's see the last 1 hour result. Yes, the last 1 hour result as a negative, if you can see here, and I already said you to this is the reason as that to this is the start of month. If you can see here the chart as absolutely they gone down very fastly, absolutely completely they gone down. You can see here the chart result completely gone down. Why they go down I already explained you. So guys, my opinion is that, and this same time to please hold it, don't sell it. If you sell it and this time they cannot give you a profit, they just give you a loss. You are in the loss. Yes, totally in the loss. So this is chicken dinner time. I hope in upcoming time they're going like a rocket. Absolutely, this is very fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know this. Okay, so please hold it. Wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit and make you millionaire. Absolutely, they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and also subscribe this channel. If you need this type more informative videos, then subscribe.